might be wondering why this is on my board, and I'm about to explain this in a second. But I just want you to know that time is limited, right? You only have so much time on this planet and on this earth to accomplish your dreams, okay? Do you want to live your whole life in regret that you didn't start something? The best time to start something is today, okay? There's that saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today, okay? I want y'all to really think about the things you're passionate about and what you want to achieve in your life. Do you want to be known as somebody that just worked a normal job, hated their life, and was never truly happy and joyful and real and honest with himself? Do you want to live a life where you lie to yourself that you're happy, that you're truly just not enjoying life? I don't want that for anybody. And I'm trying to create a life that I'm proud of, a life that I am fulfilled, a life that is worthy of my Father in heaven, a life that honors him and pushes myself to its limits. That's what I'm going to do, okay? So this graph right here is 100 years, right? I am 22 years old, okay? So I've already used up all this space. It's used up. I can't get that back. No matter what I've done there, I can't go back in time. And the average life expectancy is 73 years old, okay? So bang, you lose here, and I lost there, okay? So we have this area in here left of our life, right? What is that? 8 plus 3, 11, 21, 23, or 31, 41, 51. I have 51 years going off life expectancy of 73. 51 years, right? Which sounds like a lot. That sounds like a lot of time. 365 days times 51. That's a ton of days. But do you remember what you did last week? You remember the week before that? You remember 3 months ago? You remember that New Year's was how long ago now? And it feels like it was yesterday. It feels like I was in high school yesterday. You know what I mean? Time moves fast and it'll slip by if you do not live intentionally. And I want this to scare y'all a little bit. I want this to wake you up. I want this to motivate you to chase those dreams. This small portion of life that we're given on this planet, you should be taking risks. Take risks. Who cares if you fail this year? Who cares if you fail this year? Who cares if you fail this year? Most people that chase goals and really push themselves to achieve something great, it only takes them this much time normally. 5 years. Some people do it in 1 year. Some people do it in 2 years. Some people do it in 3 years. And then they have the rest of this life knowing and living the life that they built for themselves, a life that they won't regret the decisions they made. I don't want you to regret your time. I don't want you to regret and be like, man, I really wish I did that. I really wish I took that risk. I really wish I was healthier. I really wish I went to the gym. I really wish I trained and ran that marathon because now I can't. And if we're being more realistic, your health probably starts falling off under here. So you might as well take that out. So if healthy life, up to you're about 50, 60, you got some 6-year-olds running around, but not crazy. So I just want y'all to live life with purpose and with reason, and to take every hour and every bit of your time with the most seriousness and with absolute certainty. That's what you want to be doing. Do you really want to sit on that couch and eat that bag of Doritos? Do you really want to be lazy and not chase your dreams? I know y'all have dreams. I know y'all have goals and ambitions and things you would love to accomplish. Take the risk. Leave that job you don't like. Quit. Who cares if you struggle? I would rather struggle and never achieve it and die than spend my life regretting my past. And I know y'all are thinking the same thing. Just take the risk. Stop being scared to fail. That is what is holding you back. You are too scared to start. And then next thing you know, your life's over. And you're 70 years old. And you're thinking to yourself, man, I really wish I started. I don't want that for y'all. I don't want that for myself. I don't want that for anybody. I want y'all to see this and not to be sad, depressed, but to be motivated, to be captivated, to want to do better. You can achieve anything in a 5-year span if you truly put you put everything into it. You put every hour of the day. Be intentional with your time. Time is limited, and you only are given so much. Whatever the Father allows us to have, that is what we are given. So don't take it for granted. Don't regret your decisions, and live a life that is worth living. God bless.